This video is intended to show you how to work the Spectrum HVAC Biz Pro integration for running a client's credit through the Mycroft Spectrum program. So let's go to a proposal. We're going to go create proposal. We're going to choose an existing template. Let's just type in the size that we want to find. We're going to create a proposal from a template. And let's choose our customer. Let's choose our sales rep. And we're going to click save. Once we have clicked save, the salesperson will come in with the completed proposal on the edit side and come down to the bottom, and under payment options, they will make sure that the SpectrumAC is checked for all options. Okay, once that's checked, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click print proposal. And now we have our proposal. So I'm going to come down to the bottom and I'm going to select SpectrumAC. I'm going to select what system the customer wants to buy, and I'm going to sign my name and print my name, and then click accept the terms of the agreement. Now once this has been completed, we're going to go back to our proposal, edit proposal page, and we're going to refresh the page, and you're going to notice there's a new button at the top that says apply for SpectrumAC financing. The salesperson, the business owner, the person at the office is going to click on apply for SpectrumAC financing, and it's going to take us out to a website outside of the environment of BizPro or Propose and Close. So here we are, and it says, why would you like financing? And we're going to choose air conditioner or heating system. It transfers the amount from the proposal over to this pre-qualification screen. We're going to click next. It transfers the customer's information. We need to pull in the customer's phone number, and then we click continue. It pulls over the customer's address. We click next. We need to put in the customer's date of birth. The last 4 digits of their social security number. Agree to the terms and conditions, and click find the best financing option. All right, so nice. It looks like we've been pre-qualified for Aqua Finance, which is a higher level lending product platform that's within the SpectrumAC platform. So let's keep going. We're going to need this information to complete the application. So we're going to say, do we own or rent the home? And at this point, all we really are doing is just answering the questions that are on the screen from the customer. So let's say when we're going to install it. Do you have a co-applicant? No. Yes or no. What kind of license are you going to provide? In this case, I'm going to put Florida. And then what is the issue date? And then what is their full social security number? And then they click next. We're going to select the income source, the employer name, their position, how long have they been there, and then their employer's phone number. They click next. And then are there any other sources of income? We say no or yes. And then you can put in whatever their income is. And then we click next. All right, so here now we have our applicant information. We want to make sure all that's correct before we find the best financing option. And then we're going to click find the best financing option. Okay, after that resolves, the customer is going to see this with the salesperson sitting there. You've been approved for the following loan amount. $11,669 or whatever the amount is that they had requested. And then you can see that there's two different options that they're given to be able to choose from. One is introductory rate of 6.9% with a 1% factor, and then at month 13 it increases. So let's just say they want this option. I click I want this option. And then from this point, it takes me through the Aqua Finance application. Now, once it brings me into the Aqua Finance area for the customer, we would go from here and create the paperwork to finish out the application detail for the customer. All right, this concludes our video on the SpectrumAC ESS integration. If you have any questions, you can call our office at 904-260-2622.